Hello, just going to talk about our ER diagram real quick. So you can see on the left we have our ERD, and you can see how all the tables relate to each other and all the different relations. So important ones to know are the employee info and benefits tab. It's a many-to-many relationship with zero, one, or many benefits being able to be applied to employees and zero, one, or many employees being able to apply benefits. So if you see right here, we have a bridge table, the benefit applied table, which has the primary key from both tables in order to keep track of which employees have applied which benefits. The same thing applies with the flight employee info and the flights table being a many-to-many relationship as well, with one or many employees being able to work on a flight and what is it? There needing to be one or many flights for each employee. So we have, once again, this flight assignments table, which bridges both of the tables together. Then we have the positions table. So the positions table is important for the salary table as well. So we need to have all the information properly stored. So we have the assignments table, which also takes the fields table and the locations table as well, and it combines all of those into one bridge table between all four of those tables using the primary keys to distinguish between unique entries. Then we have employee info and vacation. For example, one employee can have many vacations, but each vacation can only have one employee. So that's a many-to-one relation. And then we have employee info and monthly hours. So one employee can have many time cards in a month, but each time card can only hold one employee. As you can see right here, Paul Blart has 2 time cards, but each time card is unique to Paul Blart. And all the other relations are pretty self-explanatory. So that is our ERD. Hello everyone, this is Aryan Kundapalli with Team 4 for COSC3380. I'm here to show you all how our website works. So first things first, you're going to want to download the file, zip file, and extract it to a local folder. There will be a README file in the folder that looks like this, basically a step-by-step process of how to open it up. You're going to open the directory in a PowerShell or command prompt window, run this first command, and that will install all the necessary libraries. After that, you're going to do npm start. Once you get there, you're going to grab a new Chrome tab and do localhost 3000. And as you can see right here, this will show all of our tables. So if we go through them all, you can see that, start from the bottom, we have all our flights. You can see there's an add, an edit, and a delete button, right? So the add will be our insert transactions, edit will be our update transactions, delete will be our deletion transactions. And if we go through all of the tables, you can see vacations. If you look at how the tables are sorted, you'll notice that they are sorted by the primary keys of the tables. We have locations, or all the airports are located. Fields, what all fields the employees will be working in. Positions is an important one. You see each position, co-pilot, catering, ground support, etc. They are all paid a specific pay rate and overtime pay rate. Then we go to flight assignments. This is showing which employee is working which flights. Job assignments, this is showing which employees are working at which airports, which fields, where they start, where they end. Then monthly employee info, this is important. This shows how long each employee has worked in a specific month, how many specific hours they have worked. Their tax rate should be a flat 0.10. And we go to the salaries table, you see this is the pay stubs basically. This is showing how much each employee made and their gross pay, deductions, and net pay, which is all determined by information in the other tables. That's why there's no add, edit, or delete in this table. Then we go to employee personal information. You can see this is where all of the employee main information is stored. So we'll go ahead and do an add now. So we'll just go ahead and do, I can just put in what is it? Just whatever right now. And you can see right here at the bottom, since the table is sorted by the employee ID, the employee that I just added is going to be right here at the bottom. Now if I go ahead and do an edit, we just give him an actual email. And you can see the changes reflected right there. Now if I go ahead and do a delete operation, you see right there, the information is gone. We got the confirmation window. And then we'll go ahead and do a more specific one. So we'll go to the monthly employee info table, and if you see right here, Marvin Tuff for February 2019, this was how much he worked. And if we go to salaries, you can see paycheck ID 23424, how much he made that month. So let's go ahead and mess with that a bit. We'll edit his information and set it all to zeros. And save that, and you can see the change is accurately updated right here. He made no money. Now let's go ahead and delete this information. And if we go back to the salaries table, you can see there is nothing right there. Alright. Now we can go back to the website folder. You can see there's an SQL folder right here, right? This is going to hold all of the SQL queries. You can see this is literally all of them. Very handy comments telling you exactly what is what. So this is where this is an edit. Then we do the transaction. This is where we're adding, inserting, and deleting. You can see there's a bunch of these. Alright, and then the final step, if you want, when you're done with the website, you're going to hit Control-C in your window, in your PowerShell or command prompt window, then yes to confirm, and then you can just close the Chrome tab safely. And that is it for our project. Big shout out to Usman Hussein. He was the one who did all majority of the work on the website. Alright, thank you so much.